Hey y'all, it is me. I am her, and this is my channel. As y'all ladies can see from the title below, I will be bringing you guys with me in this video, showing you guys how I colored these roots on this blonde 613 bob wig, and how I also installed it, a full installation step-by-step tutorial. So I don't think you guys want to miss that, so please stay tuned because my dolls may be able to take a few tips from this tutorial.
Dirt ball in the coupe smoking cat piss. Little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Hey, little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend.
So before we even get started, let's go on and put those gloves on. Whenever you are doing any kind of dye or coloring to a wig or hair, please make sure you have on gloves so that you can protect your fingers and hands. Now I will be taking my lash brush and I will be using the Adore hair dye in a color honey brown, and I will be going over my roots as you can see right here in the video. And to be honest, you guys, I honestly don't even know why I didn't use anything else. I did not look at another tutorial before I did this. I just did it, and I actually seen somebody do it with a flat rat tail comb, and I wish I would have used that. But as y'all can see, I did struggle just a little bit with the hairs because it kept pulling the hairs. Of course, it's a lash brush. But long story short, if you can use a rat tail comb, please try to use a rat tail comb or a flat rat tail comb if you've seen them. When you are doing this, ladies, please take your time. You should not rush this. This is a little process. It doesn't take really long, but you don't want to really get color anywhere else, especially when you're dealing with a 613 blonde wig. You don't want any dark color anywhere else or any spills anywhere else on the wig, so please take your time. This video is sped up as well if you did not notice, but yeah, perfection takes time, and that's what you need when you are darkening roots. So these are the results I got after coloring the wig and washing and drying it. This is how the wig looks, and to me, I actually really love it. So now we are going in, and I'm just going to flip my wig inside out, and I'm about to spray it with some lace tint spray, and I usually use a medium brown tint.
You know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me, what is your name? She made us drinks.
While the lace tint is drying on the wig, I'm going to go on and oil my scalp. Y'all, please excuse these dusty ass braids I have in my hair. I just took another wig off, and now I'm installing another one for you guys. So I'm going in with my oil, and I'm going to go on and oil my scalp.
Got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real.
Then I take my hair needle and thread, and I also use some pantyhose instead of a wig cap because it's much thinner and it gives more of the ball cap method. I also use my Got To Be glue gel to lay my edges down before I put the wig cap on my head.
I'm cool. See, baby, you wink, I wink back. And when I think that we gon' have fun at my spot tonight, I like the bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bartender.
Now I'm going in with my Got To Be glue spray, and I am spraying down those edges, and then I will be going back over it with a blow dryer to make sure it is dry, and I usually use 2 layers of Got To Be glue.
Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bartender. Okay.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Tell it, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, phone me kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Well, I see.
Also, when drying, a note to my ladies, very important, when you are drying, please make sure that your blow dryer is on cool setting.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one.
Now I am going in with my razor and I am cutting off any excess cap.
All good, chubby, look around, find one to see my type. Yeah, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes, I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, no, women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day, baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Tell it, maybe later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, phone me kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey, jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on.
Going in with my alcohol, now I'm going to be removing any excess glue that is on my skin.
Check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light, though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, though, women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day, baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Tell it, maybe later you can show me things.
So now I'm going to just take my Ghost Bond glue and I'm going to go over the edges of my cap and spread it evenly using a popsicle stick. So I use a popsicle stick because it is much wider than a tail comb, and I usually use 2 layers and do 2 layers of this glue as well.
To take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my end. you to keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance is just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arms, feeling a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good day.
Now that the glue is tacky enough, I'm going to go on and place my wig down on my head, and I'm going to go back in certain places where I needed to and add glue. And then I'm going to use my rat tail comb to secure that lace in place.
Like Joe, we lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear a long night. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit. Ooh, baby, baby, heavy on my empty mindset. I gotta keep from losing the best of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front.
I'm now going in with my beeswax just to lay any frizz on my hair down before I press my hair and lay my edges. Doing this, ladies, gives it more of a flawless, sleek look.
Sunny inside, who they did in my mind.
So now I'm going in with my hair razor and I'm cutting off any excess hair so that I can lay my baby hairs down. Y'all know what I didn't do? I didn't do my damn flat iron. Y'all, what's going on with me? Why didn't I do this? Why y'all ain't tell me to do this? Why y'all ain't tell me? Sitting up here bumping my motherfucking edges and these shits not even curl. I'm like, hold up. What's tea? What's tea? Cause now I gotta start over. You heard the girl. Now that I'm curling my edges, I am going to go on and get that curl that I needed to mold my edges, if that makes sense, once I put the mousse on my hair to lay it down.
talk that shit now. Hey. About to get ate up. Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my cruddy to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't save the record, give a fuck. Yeah.
Oh baby, now that the hard part is done, you guys, I'm going to go back in with my flat iron and bump my hair. And y'all, get ready for that slave because it's coming. Just stay tuned to the end of the video. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and please make sure y'all have subscribed already. If you haven't yet, then what the fuck you doing? Go on and subscribe to join the live game for good vibes, and that's on the game, period. Go on and subscribe, y'all. And we are on our way to 5K right now. So I couldn't be happier, you guys, for all the support that has been given to me thus far. Y'all keep supporting me, keep liking my videos. As soon as my video uploads, y'all please watch it because that gets me into the YouTube's algorithm so more people can see me. That's just how YouTube works, you guys.
Niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my cruddy to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck.
Fresh out in my jeans and they vex you. That was all in my teeth, I call up the bitch. Gotta go your back, I put on fix it. Every time I'm home, you know I win the billion. I did do these bills in my cup.
I hope my ladies love this video. I was in love with my results. And also, if you are a hair company, please make sure you email me if you would like any sponsors or me to sponsor your hair and advertise any of your products. I will be glad to. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe once again. And I'll see y'all later.
Spin a 100K, let's stay outside. Yeah, that truck got numbers on the bar.